Imagine stepping on the scale next week and seeing it drop without ever lifting a dumbbell, running a mile, or doing one push up. Ridiculous. Today, I'm going to teach you how to lose weight without exercising. And the best part, these are scientifically proven tips that can help you burn fat, curb craving, and lose weight overnight. So, if you have ever searched for how to lose weight fast or even how to lose weight in 7 days, this video is for you. Stick with me until the end because tip number 5 is a total game changer. When I first started my weight loss journey, I thought the only way to lose weight was to power away at the gym. Cardio for hours on end, structured workout routines, and wow, guess what? I burn out. But when I shift into another gear and focus on effortless daily habits, I discovered I could still lose weight without ever setting foot in the gym. So let's dive into the 5 ways you can do the same. Number 1, master portion control. Alright, portion control first. We have no idea how much we eat until we measure it. If you have ever wondered how many calories I should consume to lose weight, or how many calories I should consume to lose weight, that's the reality. It's not starvation, it's eating the right amount. Try using smaller plates, measuring food for a week, or simply slowing down. Studies show that when you take your time eating, your brain gets to catch up on the feeling of being full. And when you end up consuming naturally fewer calories, this can help you lose weight naturally, no exercise required. Second, hydrate smarter. Drink water rather than sugary drinks. This is the easiest hack that makes a huge difference. Most of the time, when we believe we are hungry, we are actually thirsty. Thirst can disguise as hunger. Drinking water before meals lowers calorie intake and even help loss of water weight. If straight water is too bland, add lemon or cucumber slice for flavor. This one change in the long term can cut hundreds of calories daily and is hands down one of the fastest way to lose weight. Third, change what's on your plate. Protein and fiber are 2 foods that keep you satisfied longer, suppress appetite, and level out blood sugar. Eggs, chicken, beans, nuts, and whole grains can make a big difference. Think of it this way. A protein breakfast keeps you full and stops you from grabbing that middle of the morning donut. If you're looking for the best way to lose weight without exercising, focus on the food that work for you, not against you. Fourth, let's talk about sleep. You won't believe this, but not sleeping enough is one of the most deceptive causes of weight gain. If you don't sleep enough, your body will crave for more sugar and junk food, and you are eating so much more than your body needs. Go for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Trust me, this one tip alone can accelerate losing weight because your body will regulate hunger hormones naturally. And then number 5, walking. You can say, but wait, isn't walking exercise? Technically, yes, but I'm not talking about rigorous gym classes. I'm talking about just getting your body moving more during the day, taking stairs, parking further, or aiming for how many steps in a day to lose weight. Even 7,000 to 10,000 steps can burn serious calories without feeling like exercise. It's movement without the stress of exercise. And there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to lose weight in a rush without a gym membership. Remember, master the art of portion control. Drink smarter, add protein and fiber, sleep better, and walk it off. None of which must be achieved with a gym membership, but together can completely transform your body and your health. If this video was useful to you, give it a like, share it with a friend who's trying to lose weight, and don't forget to subscribe. I post new weight loss tips and tricks every week to help you feel your best. Thanks so much for watching.